How to see downloaded files on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see downloaded files on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to see downloaded files on Telegram, let's say you open the Telegram application here. Maybe you go to, let's say, a certain group. So let me go to a certain person over here, and let's say I happen to just download a particular file within this. So I selected that particular file or video, I tap the three dots option and I select the option called save to gallery. So I'll just select only this media here. So once I save this to my gallery, the way that I can find them is by tapping the downloads icon and going to downloads, or since we saved it to our gallery, if it is a video or photo, you'll find them within the gallery application over here. Now if it is a file, then you can open the files application here. Once you open files, go to the option called downloads on your file manager. Once you go to downloads, you'll find a folder known as Telegram. So when you select Telegram, you'll find all of the files that you have downloaded from Telegram. This way you will be able to see downloaded files in Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.